Hi students, in this video we will study a new decimal code, that is binary coded decimal. So what is a binary coded decimal? In binary coded decimal, each decimal digit 0 to 9 is represented by a 4-bit binary number. That means 0 is represented by the 4-bit binary number 0000. Then another example, 4 is represented by the binary number 0100. Then another example, 8 is represented by the binary number 100, like that. Okay, and this code is also called natural binary code or 8421 BCD code because each bit of the 4-bit binary has a positional weight, that is 8421 weights attached to each bit. For example, in this, here the weight is equal to, in our example, 4 is represented by 0100. So the positional weight of this is 1, positional weight of this second bit is 2, and third bit is 4, and fourth bit is 8. So this is a 8421 code. Okay, so here only the third bit has only 1, all other bits are 0, so its value is equal to 4. Okay, in the case of 8, so this is 8421 positions, only this bit has the value 1, so the equivalent decimal is equal to 8. Another example, suppose we have to represent the decimal 5. 5 is equal to 0101. Okay, 4-bit binary of 5 is 0101. So here positional weights are 8, 4, 2, 1. So here only this bit and this bit has only one value, or all other two bits are the value 0. So here is 4 plus 1, we have the corresponding decimal value, that is 5. Okay, that is the weighted code. That means it is a weighted code. Okay, that's why it is called a weighted code. And another thing, the decimal number with the k decimal digits. Suppose we have a number with k decimal digits and it will require 4k bits in BCD. Okay, for example, in this example, so here 396. Okay, 396 has 3 digits. So to represent this 396 in BCD we require 12 bits. Okay, so that 12 bits are 0011, that is the binary equivalent of 3, then 1001, that is the binary equivalent of 9, then 0110 is the binary equivalent of 6. Okay, so it requires 12 bits to represent 396 of decimal value to the BCD value. Okay, this table shows the BCD digit of each decimal, simple, 0 to 9. Okay, 0 is represented as 00001, 0001, 2, 0010, 3, 0011, 4, 0100, 5, 0101, 6, 0110, 7, 0111, 8, 1000, 9, 1001. You know, when a binary number is represented by a 4-bit binary, actually we have to represent the numbers, decimal numbers from 0 to 15. Okay, but here the numbers, the 1010, 1011, 1100 and 1101, 1110, 1111. These 6 binary numbers are not shown in the table. Actually, in BCD, these 6 values are invalid. Okay, so the binary combinations 1010 through 1111 are not used and have a no meaning in BCD. So a BCD number greater than 10 looks different from the equivalent binary number. In the case of a binary number, 10 is represented as 1010. But in BCD, 10 is represented as 0001, that is the 4-bit binary of this 1, and 0 0 0 0, that is the 4-bit binary of 0. So in binary, so this one is the binary equivalent of 1, 10, and this is the BCD equivalent of 10. So here it requires 4 bits only, but in the case of here it requires 8 bits. Okay, so a BCD number greater than 10 looks different from its equivalent binary number. Okay, so another example, consider 185. 185 is represented in BCD as 1 is represented as 0 0 0 1, then 8 is represented as 1 0 0 0, then 5 is represented as 0 1 0 1. But the binary equivalent is like this. Okay. So the advantage of binary coded decimal is easy of conversion to and from decimal. In the case of a pure binary, it is we have to perform division method to find out the equivalent binary number, but here we can easily convert a BCD to decimal to BCD conversion. Only write the 4-bit binary number. Okay, so easy of conversion to and from decimal is the advantage of the binary coded decimal. But it has some disadvantages. First one is less efficient than pure binary number in the sense that it requires more bits. Okay, for example, in the case of 14 can be represented as 1110 in pure binary, but in BCD first we write the 4-bit binary of 1, that is 0001, then 4-bit binary of 4, that is 0100. So 14 requires 8 bits in the case of BCD, but 4 bits in the case of binary. So it requires more number of bits in the case of BCD. Okay. Then arithmetic second disadvantage is arithmetic operations are more complex than pure binary, because when you add two binary numbers, so illegal combinations may occur. Okay. So if there is an illegal sum, so we have to convert it into legal sum. So again we have to perform some addition operations there in the case of illegal combinations. So arithmetic operations are more complex than pure binary arithmetic. Okay. Then in the case of arithmetic, the rules for addition and subtraction do not apply to the entire 8421 number. Okay. But only to the individual 4-bit code. That means the rules for addition and subtraction is applied only to the 4-bit binary code, not to the entire BCD number. Okay. So in the case of the binary arithmetic, I will explain that point in detail. Clear? So that's all about the binary coded decimal. Clear? Okay. Thank you.